Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on 4 words: fish, face, food, four. So let's start with the first word, fish. Freshwater fish, saltwater fish. Your fish aquarium is lovely, Anu. Thank you. This time we have some tropical fish in the aquarium. I saw the fish swim around the aquarium. It's really lovely. What's for dinner? Fried fish and dal. Yesterday I went to the fish market and bought some prawns and fish. The fish was really fresh. I cleaned the fish and marinated the fish with masala. Ishu felt like a fish out of water in her new school. That means Ishu was confused, she was uncomfortable because she had no friends in that school. So that is fish out of water, confused and uncomfortable. The second word is face. To face, face to face. Happy face. The baby has an angelic face. That means a pretty face. She has a round face. I know a face, a lovely face that could not be compared to another. The lovely lady is my mother. I know a face, a hard and handsome face. His lovely face changes only for me, and that loving person is my father. My favorite teacher had a very kind face. The third word is food. Fast food, junk food, fresh food, healthy food, frozen food, good food. Food is what living beings eat to survive. Food provides energy and nutrition. Food that includes meat, chicken, fish is non-vegetarian food. People who don't eat meat are called vegetarians. Some people eat only vegan food. That means vegans don't eat or use any animal products, including dairy products like milk, ghee, etc. The fourth word is four, F-O-U-R, four. There are 4 types of English sentences. A square has 4 equal sides. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 2 is 4. The Olympic Games takes place once in 4 years. Sid has 4 dogs. A dog has 4 legs. Oh, a table too has 4 legs. The American Independence Day is celebrated on the 4th of July every year. April is the 4th month of the year. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration.